have in front of me here a single AV faceplate, 2 module. So the reason it's called a single faceplate is that it's the width of a single box that'd be back of a unit. So something like this. So that's called a single back box. The overall dimension of it is about 85 millimeters by 85 millimeters. And internally here we've the space to fit in 2 modules. And the example of the modules we might use is something like an RCA connection or a HDMI connection like this. Both of these could be slotted in. Now, these modular faceplates are becoming very popular. What people are trying to do is they want to have a modular format where they're making a decision that at a certain output in their house, they'll have both HDMI and maybe a USB port or something like that. So they can come along and they can slot it directly in. So in terms of the faceplates in the singles, we'd have a 1 module or a 2 module output. We can't really fit any more in. If you go for a double faceplate, we could actually fit a total of 4 modules in along here on the thing. So what we're going to demonstrate here is I am going to just pick up this unit here, we'll say, and I'm going to insert it in here. So the total internal dimension here is 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters, okay? So what I'll do here is I just line it up and I just press on the back here and it clicks through. So you can see it slots over and back, slides neatly there. And what we can do with the next module is I can just come along and I can just repeat the process and just click it in, and then I'll have 2 modules there. And if we're unhappy with one of them or we want to change, you can just unclick it and it just clicks out very neatly like that. So overall, we'll say these have become popular simply because the range of modules to go with it have increased all the time. So it's for HDMI, RCA, 3.5 millimeter, USB, VGA. It just goes on and on. The list is pretty endless. So it's great. The whole idea behind this, of course, is that people increasingly have central comms rooms, things like that in their house, either in a commercial application, where they'll be, say, running a HDMI lead all the way down from, say, a HDMI splitter. And what they want to do is, instead of running the cable directly out to a TV, what they want to do is just terminate it in the wall, and then they can just neatly run a cable for the last distance. Or if they don't want it, they don't have to use a faceplate till it's set up and they don't have the cable showing in the meantime. So that's it anyway, an overview of the single AV faceplate with 2 module slots.